Welcome again in Python game. So let's start. Copy from here and paste here. Elif. Change all x to 0. 0. Change 0. Also change player 1 to player 2. Player 2 is winner of the game. Now we see draw condition. Draw game. Elif b1 of text is not equal to empty and b2 of text is not equal to empty and b3 of text is not equal to empty and copy this. b4 of text is not equal to empty. b5 of text is not equal to empty. b6 of text is not equal to empty and b7 of text is not equal to empty. b8 of text is not equal to empty and b9 of text is not equal to empty, and here we match horizontally done and vertically start. b1 of text is not equal to empty. b4 of text is not equal to empty and b7 of text is not equal to empty and b2 of text is not equal to empty. b5 of text is not equal to empty. b8 of text is not equal to empty and b3 of text is not equal to empty. b6 of text is not equal to empty. b9 of text is not equal to empty. Now match diagonally. b1 of text is not equal to empty and b5 of text is not equal to empty and b9 of text is not equal to empty and b3 of text is not equal to empty. b5 of text is not equal to empty and b7 of text is not equal to empty. Here we done. Now give a message to user. Message box dot show info title, no winner, comma, message, game, draw. tk dot destroy, print, no winner, game draw. Buttons equals to string var, print, please wait, time dot sleep 0.5, os dot system cls. Now